This is our 4-camera, our wireless, our HD camera set. So basically here are your cameras, 1080p HD, LEDs like night vision, obviously wireless. The brackets, quite large, like mounting brackets, so the antenna can still fit behind it when tucked up. Mounts like that. Obviously they need a power source. They draw pretty low power, 0.3 amps probably max. 1080p HD, so that's it. You can have up to like 4 of these hooked to this like system, so you can have front, side and back. So like super handy for like off-road equipment like mining trucks and other things where you don't want to be running like wires around, but you just need to hook to a power source. Obviously you have full waterproof built to conditions. Get a small like mounting pack in here, which like basically some screws, some like zip ties, like a 3M pad, obviously like go behind here before you like mount it onto your surface. That's basically that. Obviously hook those two to power. They have like a wide voltage range, 10 to 30 volt. And you can use up to 4 of those. And then you have your like monitor at the other end. Fairly straightforward. Just a high definition like monitor, a wireless antenna on top, external wireless antenna just in case you have to run a cable off here to get this antenna up a bit higher. Sunshade clips into here, fairly straightforward. You can view 4 like cameras on here. I'll show you how it powers up in a second. This has like a U like bracket for like mounting, but you can also mount like this, like an SD card to record footage in there. So you can record the whole time, so any like incidents that happen, whatnot, you have that footage. Coming through to your cables on this one, you basically have trigger wires. So if you want the cameras to come out, obviously when you indicate or hit the brakes or put it into drive or reverse or whatever, you can put these to that like signal. And then the other most important is just your ACC and ground power, which will power that up. Again, wide voltage, 10 to 30 volt. That is basically it. So super good way and easy way to get like sort of run some cameras, up to 4 like cameras, like heavy duty ones around your equipment or vehicle. There's the monitor there, so fairly straightforward for these like monitors. You can view like this, or you push your button here. You can view each camera the way it is. You can see it went into night vision there, because obviously it's blocking the light. Now the cameras will show up. You can put parking lines on and off with that button. You can rotate the screen, so how you mount the monitor. If you come into the menu here, you've got to pair the cameras, so you'd so I come into here, you go pair camera or delete camera. You can obviously have up to like 4 cameras. To pair the camera, you just have to come into here, choose the camera you want to pair, and then put power to the camera, and it will pair up successfully. So if I went camera 2, it's trying to pair, it's going to like fail because obviously I haven't got a new camera to pair up, but I'd put power to that camera now, and what would happen is you'd have a pair success. So that's basically it. Fairly basic things like settings. There's an SD card in here to record formats. You can delete that. And probably the main thing is the calendar, like setting the time, so you know when things happen. Then you've got record and playback. That's about it really. So that's basically everything that it can do, and that's how you view what's going on, and you can view the camera there.